that you had.
When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun.
Why do I sound like that?
I saw some nigga throw cheese and landed on some helmet.
Why do you take like 8 feet, bro? Don't touch my cheese. You're f***ing my cheese up, stupid.
She's really riding with cheese on her tank. Becca came back from college today. She pulled up at my job and then she was like, let's make a video once you get off. I'm vlogging this right now. Oh, I had to burp. And tells me she has an idea of throwing cheese at people's windows. And my brain, I guess what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, so I'm confused. Don't do it, not. I feel like I gotta cry, but I have nothing in my eye. Yeah, I forgot, I don't know if I said it already, I forget. But we're trying to get fist bump out of people. But this isn't the right way. We have to get to 2 lanes. She got one, all right. That was good, that was good. That got sideways as Don't go on the side. Okay, she's not gonna listen. She never listens. She's like any badass kid, I swear. Apparently she's got 2 up on me. She matches my energy and takes it beyond. She's literally like younger version of me. Back when I was like really reckless, like I didn't give one I have 1. You have 2? Alright, word. Fist bump, fist bump! Hey, thank you! Dun, 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 dun. Dun, na, 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 na. We just want a fist bump.
Here, you passed me right here.
I'm next to you.
You're trying to die.
I'm not passing you. Can I get a fist bump?
Drive.
But I'm riding.
Drive.
I don't drive, I ride.
You are. Go.
Really?
Yeah.
How are you gonna do that?
I'm gonna rip you off your bike. You can try.
I'd like to see that, bud. Someone got upset. I wonder who's shitting his Cheerios. Am I at 2 or 3? What am I at? 2. I think. I don't know. I'll watch the footage. I'm at something. Stop being stupid. Be smart. And I went this way so that back can go by, because if we pull it over there, he was going to pull in and I was going to have to fuck him up. You want kisses? Come on, come on! Yeah! I just got 2. You got 3? Oh, I have 4 or 5.
No, keep track.
I forgot. I'm sorry.
I thought that way was straight.
Yeah, that's gonna be straight. Why would you think that way is straight?
I don't know, it lines up with the road.
No, going straight is that way.
I thought it was that way.
I'm looking at the road. The road lines up that way, not a 90-degree bend.
I didn't know that.
Did you pass math? Why does my bike feel so smooth? Oh God, I taught her so wrong. Yeah! Yeah! I got a contest going on with her. I'm at like 6, she's at like 3. Thanks, man!
Drugs coming in, don't need a middleman.
No, look, Becca, play me. wait, we gotta go. Oh my God! Stop!
Demons in my head say I'ma tear it up. I can never get enough. Slipping on that angel dust, pulling up with purple stuff, pour it in my cup for once. I can never get enough. I just need a bitch to fuck. Put a Draco in the cup. I ain't begging for no pics, you know that she gon' give it up. Put my dick all in her face, you know that she gon' lick it up. Bitches sniffing coke in the bathroom, now they boot it up. I'm so fucking high, I don't even know what's going on. I'm so fucking on, it's kinda hard to type his lyrics up. Pour another double cup, party don't stop till I see my niggas throwing up. Now I'm smoking on that pixie dust, high as Peter Pan. I'm so fucking stuck, I can't even feel my fucking hands.
Oh, I'm in neutral. Oh! Yeah! Why'd you give my girl the finger?
Why are you guys going in front of everyone?
No, we're giving everybody fist bumps.
Oh, that's cool then.
Hey, see? Don't assume, dude. Enjoy your night. I think I'm at 10. I don't know. Hey, my dude. Can I get a fist bump? Yeah. What are you doing? She's being all loud. Yo, why are you mad at me? Thanks. What? I don't know. Does that mean she has to pee or something? We have loud bikes. She could have said, let's go to New York. What? What? Did she say suave me? Follow me? Oh! My shoulder hurts. I'm going in for the kill. Hey! I think I know her. Where are you going? God damn it. I said let's go on campus, not literally on campus. Fuck it. You good, bro? No. Maybe. Can I get a fist bump? Yes! I like your energy! You have a great night. No, don't give her one! Oh. Wait, how you gonna get two? No, I needed one! Wait, no, you're good. Can I get fist bumps? We have a contest going. Thanks. Can I get a fist bump? Wait, up, neutral. Bang, hey, thank you. Let me get a fist bump. Oh my gosh. I didn't mean to scare you. Can I get a fist bump? It doesn't bite, thanks. Have a great night. Am I still recording? Let me get a fist bump. Thanks guys. Let me get one. Yeah. Rejection sucks.
7 shots, now I'm on. They been asking where I'm at, I've been gone. We ain't shooting for his head, we gon' take off his neck. Time to take off like a jet. I'm an underrated threat. 7 shots.